In problem number 8, we've got this rectangle, and we're going to first verify we've got all the information. So we've got to label our sides, and we know it's a rectangle, so the opposite sides are going to be 5. We know this is 12 and 12 because that's a midpoint, and the whole thing is 24. And we know that this is a sector of a circle, so this is actually a center point. The first thing they want us to do is they want us to find the length of AO. Well, that's not too hard because we can use Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus 12 squared is equal to AO squared. 169, the square root of 169 is 13. AO's got to be 13, and by the way, so does OD. So now it says part B, find the angle AOD in radians. Well, if you keep in mind that an entire line is 180 degrees, or 1 pi radians, then what I'm going to do is figure out what these two angles are from these triangles and take them away from pi. They're both the same, so if I can just figure out what the angle AOB is, or BOA, and then double it, and then take it away from pi, that's going to give me this AOD angle that I want. So I look at that and I see 5 and 12, those are opposite and adjacent. So if I do the inverse tan of 5 over 12, that's going to give me that angle. Now, keep in mind I need 2 of them, so I'm just going to put the whole thing in here. Pi minus 2 times tan negative 1 of 5 over 12, and that's going to give me my answer of whatever AOD is. So then I go to my calculator and type it in. And see, by doing this, I can avoid writing numbers down and having to round. Anyway, I get that AOD is 2.3520, go 4 digits at least. And then for part C, they want to know the perimeter. Well, that's clearly going to be AO plus OD plus the arc AD. Now AO is 13 and OD is 13, so that was easy enough. And if I want to find the arc length of a sector, that's going to be the radius times the angle. Well, the radius is clearly 13, and the angle we just figured out, 2.352. So now all I got to do is add all this up, and I'm going to get 56.576, or 56.6 centimeters as our perimeter. All right, thanks for watching. Hope that helped.